The median sales price of single-family homes in Sacramento County was unchanged in the month of April. Year over year, we saw the same median sales price, what we did in 2024 compared to 2025. So we might be leveling out and seeing that these huge price increases that we've had in the past are starting to level out a little bit. The number of single family home sales was better this month. It was close to 1,000 units that were sold. The inventory it keeps on rising. It was close to 40, it was greater than 40% increase in inventory. So stay to the very end of the video because I'm going to show you California Association of Realtors websites and how you can kind of like play around with the number. I'll include the link in the description below so you can go to the link and you can look at the median sales price in Sacramento County and how it varies from month to month. So stay tuned and let's do the numbers. This shows the comparison of April 2024 to April 2025 of single family home sales in Sacramento County. So as you can see, the number of single family homes sold still remains very low. And it's less than 1,000. However, it did increase in 2025, increased by about 6% from 928 in 2024 to 983 in 2025. The median sales price stayed the same in single family homes. There was no change. And I have another graphical presentation of that too. The sold to list price, the averages are 100%. The average days on the market is increasing, and it was 20 days in 2024. It's 25 days in 2025, year over year in the months of April. The number of listings taken or the number of contracts signed to list houses was 1,319 in 2024. And it was 1,611 in 2025, which represents about a 20% increase year over year in the months of April. The inventory available continues to increase. It increased by more than 40%. In April 2024, it was 1,241. April 2025, it was 1,919. And so the expired listings, these are the ones that sit on the market for so long that they actually expire off of the market. It was 143. And then the price drops. These are the listings that had to adjust their prices in order to, to get it to move. And then this is what I was talking about is the housing market overview. This shows for Sacramento County, it shows the median price year over year percent change. So we're coming off of the years in 2021, 2022, when the prices were really going increasing very much, and so when you take the difference, it shows a decline. And then now we start to kind of like even out in the year of 2023, 2024. We're starting to get back into, I don't want to say a normal market, but starting to get back to where, they're coming back down to earth, say. And so the differences that you see are, not reflective of kind of like a market that's somewhat normal. However, Look at the monthly values. They're still going up, except for, compared this month. But you can see, from a historical standpoint, the prices, real estate is still an excellent investment or excellent way to grow your wealth. So anyway, if you have any questions about this data here on the table, if you'd like to see it for any other county, any neighborhood, maybe a certain number of beds or number of baths in a house, if they have swimming pools, if they don't have swimming pools, maybe certain price point, I can do that. So anyway, my contact information is on the screen. Please don't hesitate to reach out. I'd be more than happy to provide you with any of this information. And thanks very much for watching. Have a great day.